Meaning of grungy.
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 Grungy. Grungy is an adjective that refers to something that is dirty, unkempt, and unpleasant or unattractive in appearance. Usually associated with a grunge subculture, this term can also be used to describe places or objects that are shabby, worn out, and neglected. A grungy place may have peeling paint, stained carpets, graffiti, and other signs of disrepair. Similarly, a grungy object such as a shirt or pair of shoes may be torn, faded, or covered in dirt. Overall, grungy suggests a lack of care or attention to cleanliness and maintenance.